Research and application of seamless flux-cored wires for robotic welding. Anhui Science and Technology University.
The seamless flux-cored wire has a different structure compared to conventional fold-type seamed flux-cored wire. The wire's outer casing has no seams and can be copper-coated. Seamless flux-cored wire has an ultra-low diffusion hydrogen level, which can reduce the occurrence rate of cold cracking and lower the preheating temperature. With an isotropic cross-section, no twisting stress. It allows for a longer feeding distance and high alignment performance of the wire, making it more suitable for automated welding. Capable of wet copper plating process, enhancing current transfer efficiency with significantly reduced contact tip wear, thereby lowering consumable costs. Excellent resistance to moisture absorption, convenient for transport and storage. Filling rate is stable, no powder streaking in empty pipes. The production of seamless flux-cored wire involves the following manufacturing processes: steel trip, straightening of the steel strip, forming of the steel strip, filling with flux-cored powder, online powder addition detection, online welding, online flaw detection, rolling reduction of diameter, wire coiling. Then high-temperature annealing, reduction processing, and copper coating are performed to obtain the final product. The following demonstrates the moisture absorption resistance test of seamless flux-cored wire under extreme conditions. The wire can be fed and welded normally even when submerged in water with no defects such as porosity on the weld surface. The product has been tested and certified by multiple authoritative institutions, and its performance meets international standards. Third-party technology organizations have assessed that the overall technology of this achievement has reached an internationally advanced level. The project has been granted 21 authorized invention patents, published 10 papers, and formulated to corporate standards. The product has been promoted and applied in China and several countries. The additional sales amount to approximately 1.79 billion yuan.